Okay, so I took the two screws off of Peewee's front end because he was flying too up. So the screws brought the nose down a little. So now I'm flying it without the screws out of curiosity and see what happens. Okay. Alright, here goes. Alright, so I'm flying it without the screws in the front. See? No good. No good. No good. No good. Right up there. It's not even moving. It's moving that way. Better pay attention. Don't take your eyes off of it. Alright, don't talk. Alright, so I put the screws back on. I have two screws in the front. See them over here? This way, it'll keep him, it won't go up. Alright, so that's how I originally had it. Alright, so now we're going to fly it like I used to. Okay. I think he still needs a little more weight in the front. He's still going up a little. Hi, Peewee II. I don't know what happened there. I don't know if the battery's dying. Somebody smoking? I smell cigarettes. Maybe there's a bum hanging out somewhere. Wow, look at the moon. See the moon? See if I can get Peewee in front of the moon. Peewee, you're going too high. Okay. Peewee, where are you going? Come here. You're going too far away. Alright, I'm gonna have to come in for a landing. Alright, the flies are already landing on my nostrils.